One of our problems when we're home is our driveway slopes quite a lot downwards, so when we want to level it we run out of space on the jockey wheel. So if you look at the moment, the front is too low, 5.3 degrees, and we can turn the jockey wheel and you can see changing 4.6, 4, but look how long it is already, 3.8, and we're getting to the limit now of what the jockey wheel will do, but we've got all this space up here. So what we do with our leg winder, wrong way, just put one leg down and then you can take the weight off here. Just put my foot there, stop that spinning. So we're winding all the way back up, not so it goes into the slot, but then loosen that off, let it drop back to the floor, tighten it back up, and we've given ourselves that whole length of the jockey wheel again.